I still have the zoom image from an earlier exercise, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use the rectangle selection tool. When you select the rectangle selection tool, you can use your mouse and left click and drag and create a box. You'll see that once you let go of your mouse, a box is formed, and everything inside this rectangle is what we have selected. This area here is our selection. Now, if you're not happy with the size of your selection, you have lots of options. You can move your mouse to one of the corner handles here, left click, drag, up, down, left, right. You can reposition and resize the box. You can do that with any of the corner handles. Click, drag, let go. You also have these handles appear when you position it here, 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 and here. These handles allow you to widen or make more narrow your selection, whereas these ones let you go up and down. Now, a little bit about what the selection tool does. When you use the selection tool, you're basically selecting an area that you wish to modify or edit. It will only affect whatever you have selected. Everything outside your selection here is going to be protected and will not receive the changes that you ask the computer to perform. However, if you wish to change what's on the outside and protect what's on the inside, you can go to the colors menu and choose invert. And when you click that, what has happened is now the computer is going to protect the area that you selected, and any changes that you make later will only affect the outside. I can always go to edit, undo, invert, and change it back to its usual setting. Additionally, you also have the option of choosing guidelines. Like before, you can divide your rectangular box into thirds or fifths if it helps you measure out and make a better selection. And later on in this course, we're going to be using the rectangle selection tool a lot to perform edits to specific areas on our image.